Welcome to Pedal Savings. If you are new here, my name is Rosie. I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope system for her finances and bills and to help save money. So today we will be setting up our January monthly budget. What am I trying to say? Today we will be setting up our January budget planner. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, so let's take that out for now. Then let's take these two out because I find it easier for it to lay flat on my desk. Okay, so today we're going to put in all my bills and when I get paid and all that stuff. So let's move these. We are going to use my bill due stickers. So I accidentally chose the wrong cutting setting, and it kind of cut through some of the stickers. So let us just use these. These will be available on my Etsy shop. Of course, it will not look like this. The stickers will be on the sticker sheet, I promise. I just kind of made a boo-boo. Anyways, let's get into putting in our bills and paydays. Hopefully this, okay. So I get paid every Thursday, but my money comes into my bank account every Tuesday. So I'm going to put my payday stickers on the Tuesdays. Oh. I want to do like kind of like purple blue pattern. I do not know where my tweezers are that I usually use to help stick the stickers, so bear with me. Might need to make some of these payday stickers smaller because it seems like for the A5 size one it's too big. So let us also put in our bill due stickers. So I send my fiance my part of the rent because he pays the rent through his bank account. So every week I pay him. So let us write rent And then once I'm gonna write down how much I sent him that week, and then a check mark once it's done. Okay. Oh yes, Etsy. So my Etsy bill on the 7th. As well as Cash App. I am really trying to get these stickers off. Might just have to make these stickers smaller. Etsy. I know my Etsy is like 18, then Cash App is 19. Okay. I think that's it for my bills for now. I had to go back and look. Okay, that's it for my binder. Okay. I am really getting out of breath right now because of the pregnancy. Okay, let's put these back in. And then that's it for this binder. Okay, so now we gotta put in our monthly savings challenges. So this one is called Winter Wonderland. I'm going to save up. I'm gonna do $2 each icon, and then my goal is gonna be 20. No. How many snowflakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 20. So by the end of this, I should have $40 or less, depending on how much I put in each week. So Cozy Winter is my little baby savings challenge. It has 10 icons, so I'm gonna do $2 each icon. So the end of the month, I should have $20 or less, depending on how much I put in as well. Okay, and that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you guys next time.